I am the DeepMind AI-generated model. What do you call a fish with no eyes? Fish.
I am also a model. I can do marketing for you. Just subscribe DeepMind AI. I like modeling, but hey, you can generate your own model for movies, branding, whatever you want. Just stay tuned in this video to learn how to create.
Welcome to DeepMind AI. The videos you just saw I made entirely with AI. You have seen how amazing were those videos, look like real ones. And you have seen the consistent characters, different variations, all are just mind-blowing. You can also create your own AI model and grow her on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok and earn millions of dollars. Just like these AI models, they are earning crazily on Instagram and TikTok. Now I'll show you. There will be just 3 simple steps so you can create your own AI consistent character by following just 3 simple steps. So first of all, we will start with pictures, a basic design for our influencer. Then we will use ChatGPT to generate the perfect prompt for that model. And next, we will bring the prompt into Focus AI to generate consistent character images. And finally, we will import all those images into Google Veo 3, that is called Flow, and bring our influencer to life with natural talking motion. So stay tuned till the end, because not only we will create full talking AI influencer together, but I'll also give you pro tips to make your own influencer go viral online. So friends, first of all, we will go to ChatGPT and we will generate image prompts. If you can write your prompt by yourself, that's perfect. This will be look like this. So ChatGPT will enhance this prompt for you. And if you don't know, then what you have to do, if you like any model, like I like this model, and all you have to do, you have to write this one and just submit. And ChatGPT will give you detailed prompt. So once you get your detailed prompt, then we have to go for next step. Now you can see that I have my detailed prompt. Now all I have to do, I have to copy this prompt. Once we have our prompt for our model, then we have to go to Focus AI, and you can find this link in description as well. All you have to do, you have to search Focus, and you will come up interface like this. All you have to do, you can see this connect option, just connect that. And once we see this green sign, then we have to come here and just click run cell. And then there will be a pop-up message like this, just click run anyway. And this process will take few minutes, and once the execution will be complete, and you will see there will be 2 links. One will be IP address and the other one will be URL. All you have to click, you can click any of these, but I'm going to click this one. And now you can see that the system is perfectly ready for us to generate images from simple prompts. So before generating images, we have to do some setting. And as you can see here, check this advanced checkbox and then you will see these options. So at a time, how many images you want to create. So I'll create 4 images. You can create, I believe, up to 32 images from simple a prompt. And now here I'll recommend just select the quality, and right now we will keep all setting as it is, and just we will paste our prompt which we generated by using ChatGPT. So now we paste the prompt. All we have to do, just click generate. And now you can see the process has been started, and now we will see our models within seconds. And there will be 4 images of the same person, and you can select one of the best. Now you can see that all 4 images has been created by Focus AI. Now let's check all 4 and we will select one of the best. And you can see the picture quality, detail, everything is perfect, and consistency in character in our model. So I select this one. All we have to do, just click here and download the image. And now the second step is that we will generate different variation of the same model in different backgrounds and dresses with same physical appearance and the same model. So for that, first all we have to do, just click here. You can see the checkbox input image. Click here and you will see these option here. All you have to do, just go to image prompt, just upload the model you just have created. And if you click here advanced, you will see more option to create different variation. All you have to do, you have to just check this face swap, so you can change the background, her dresses, everything you can change, but the model will be same. And for that you have to do just face swap, and here in prompt you can change her background, dress, hair color, everything you can do. So now here we will change her dress color. Instead of blue we will say green, and we will do some minor changes. Instead of red we will say purple. Instead of outdoor, we will prefer inside a house. Just click generate. Now you can see that our model is same, one of the picture is ready. You can see that once we change the prompt, instead of blue she wear now purple and neck top, and also short like we mentioned green short, and she is standing inside of house. There will be again 4 pictures and you can select one of the best out of these 4 pictures. So once we have our picture in different background with the same model, we have to import all these images into Google Veo 3, that is called Flow, and bring our influencer to life with natural talking motion. And you can see the second picture is also ready, everything is perfect. And now we will wait for 4th one and we will select one of the best out of these pictures. Now we will bring all these images into Google Veo 3, bring our influencer to life with natural talking motion. But before that we need a prompt, so we can pass that prompt with picture to Veo 3, so we will get the best result. So I'll paste this prompt which I have right here, and you can change this prompt by yourself, and you can copy and you can edit by yourself here. And this prompt you will find in a description, so you can add any dialogue here, like I'm going to write. So I have mentioned when she will be in live, she will be talking, I'm a DeepMind AI model. So just submit this prompt to ChatGPT. It will enhance this prompt and give you the best prompt out of this one. So once you have your enhanced prompt, all you have to do, you have to copy this prompt and just search Flow. I will mention this link in description as well. You have to click there, you will be on the page, and the interface will be like this. And this is absolutely free. You can use any student ID, so you will get this interface absolutely free for 1 year. There are many videos in YouTube how to get Flow absolutely free. So just create with Flow. You will find interface like this. But before that, let's go to focus and check our pictures, and we will select one of the best picture out of those 4 pictures. So as you can see, we have the ultimate result here. We have our all 4 pictures. So I just select this one. This seems perfect for me. So all you have to do, just click download here. Now you can see I have downloaded the picture successfully. Once you will be on flow page and you will see interface like this, all you have to do, you have to click just new project, and here you will find different option. You can generate videos from simple text. You can also generate videos from a simple picture, and we are going to do that. And we select frames to video, and after that they have different versions. Just click that and you will see there are 4 models they have, but we are going to use Veo 3. But if you select Veo 2, this will consume less credit, but you will have no audio. But I'm going to select the best and latest version, that is Veo 3, and after that I'm going to select my picture, or you can directly drag that picture here. And once everything is perfect, you can adjust here. They have crop option here as well, but if you want to keep as it is, you can do that as well. Just save. Once your picture will be uploaded, just paste your prompt. So once everything is done, just click submit. At one time this will generate 2 videos for us, and we will select one of them. And you can see that this took less than 20 seconds and both scenes are absolutely ready, and you can check both of them.
I am a DeepMind AI made model.
So if you like this session helpful, please subscribe DeepMind AI and share DeepMind AI with your friends. Thank you so much.